What's up, guys? Patronn in Brooklyn, Mitsubishi. Today it's a very special day for me. All right, so I'm writing my own check for 2019. So 11/19/18. Man, a little nervous. So there you go, guys. All right, this is the check we're writing for next year, 2019. That's the amount, $10 million. All right, if you can receive it, if you see it, you believe it, it's gonna happen. So this is what we're making for 2019. We're going 10x, like I told you guys. So we're gonna put this on the wall, remind us every day. All right, that's what we're doing for 2019. So let's go. Let's get it.